I am with Mr. Indrajeet today, and he is the Business Development Manager for Export Businesses, handling Sigma Toolings.
It's a wonderful evening. It's
Wonderful.
wonderful show. People are very happy about the smart factory solution, city like Aurangabad, and they are very happy.
I wanted to talk to you more about. So you handle export business. How does it? So your company being from Aurangabad, has it ever challenged you?
Actually, we have started the export journey since last 10 years back, and the Europeans are very much fascinated about the Industry 4.0, lean manufacturing, and the smart manufacturing. And the journey of being a smart manufacturing rather than a traditional factory, which actually helps me to develop the business in overseas countries. So, if I say this is not just a place or locality that matters, what matters is the digitalization of your company and the product quality. So it actually helps me. This is not just like company from Aurangabad can do a smart manufacturing, we can do the export as well, Akshay.
Acha. So you mean to say that just by converting any factory into a smart factory, it has actually helped you to acquire clients and customers?
Exactly. Yes, exactly. Europeans and the Americans are very much fascinated. Like company from Aurangabad, a small city where is company like Sigma Toolings is into the Industry 4.0 and the smart manufacturing. So they are very fascinated about it. And actually, I really felt about it.
What's coming next for you?
For next, as we see, like mood detection system, smart manufacturing, there are few errors in our software. We are into it to digitalize the entire process. We are going towards the completely automation of our running cycles into the plant.
Wonderful. What would you like to tell about the expansion of your company? How would you like to be expanding?
Currently, we have a manufacturing facility in Aurangabad. We are projecting ourselves into Pune. Like Pune is a metropolitan city next to Mumbai. So definitely we are going to settle our plant in Pune as well.
Wow, that's big news. You're going to come to Pune.
Yeah,
Sigma.
we are coming to Pune. And a person like Shashi is very much passionate. He is an extremely motivated person. He is inspiring us by the new challenges. He tremendously traveled a world for this Industry 4 and the smart manufacturing technologies. And he learned all these things. He not just learned himself, he tried to teach all these things to us. Okay, so he is always a motivation for us.
Wow. Wonderful. I can see the respect that he gets in the inner circle of Aurangabad.
Exactly.
That's
and
great.
he's building a community of smart manufacturing or the digital factory, we can say. Like people from the TLC, that is teaching and learning community all across the Maharashtra are getting inputs from him. How to get system gets automated to reduce their downtime, improve the productivity, improve the efficiency, how to use our resources maximum time to improve the productivity.